Good morning. We are doing a 2013 break. This is going to be including with some bonuses. Anybody who has every 3 teams you have, J-Wags for 2 teams because I didn't have this sort of deal and I include bonuses for him. So 2 teams for J-Wags, 3 teams for anybody else. If you don't get a hit per those 3 or 2 teams, you get an extra bonus at the end. I'm going to give away a total of 6 bonuses. So if there's only 5 that are given away by not getting a hit, I will random off the last one. So Josh is getting 1 hit guaranteed, J-Wags 1 hit guaranteed, Ishan 1 hit guaranteed, Anthony 2 hits guaranteed, and Derek 2 hits guaranteed. And I will random off the extras to non-hit teams no matter where you got them. Okay, I'll go through the teams. J-Wags 49ers Bucks. I got a ton in this one. Derek Steelers, Texans, Packers, Jags, Giants, Redskins. Josh Vikings, Lions, Patriots, Panthers. E Saints, Raiders, Rams. Anthony Bills, Titans, Colts, Chiefs, Falcons, Bears. That is going to do it for the team. Disclaimer, my boys are asleep right now. Look to be out. Hopefully they stay there. Hopefully I don't have to figure out how to pause this for 20 minutes while I get one back down. So there will be 6 hits. A hit in this one is any numbered autographed jersey or rookie insert will also count. So if there's like a nice red rookie insert, that will count. Veteran unnumbered inserts will not be counting as hits. 2, 4, 6, empty box. Good luck, everybody. One hit per pack. All rookie inserts will count as hits. We got Sam Bradford. Pull one from the back. Red Gaines, not numbered. Does Bryant, not numbered. We have what looks like a numbered. It's Alan Page. And your first hit is going to be, oh sweet, a veteran auto jersey with a patch on it, Kenny Britt for the Titans. That's pretty cool. That's a semi-thick one. Who has the Titans? Anthony getting the Titans. That's a cool card, man. Nice patch. I know Britt's been, when he's playing good, he's on. I know he's had them off the field issues. He's got all sorts of stuff, I feel like. But veteran auto jersey, Kenny Britt, numbered 17 out of 99. Cool one for Anthony. That means Anthony's got 1. Anthony's got 1. And the Titans disappear off the random at the end. Alan Page. This is not numbered. So Alan Page for the Vikings, insert not numbered. That's a cool first card. Cool first hit. They got lots of veteran stuff in this, which is why I like it for. I don't want to get too many 2013 boxes that don't have veteran hits, but the 2013 boxes are relatively cheap in comparison. So, Big Ben, we got a Phenom rookie of Marcus Wheat. That's not an insert per se. Brandon Marshall. Len Dawson. Thick decoy. And your hit is Darius Slay, rookie auto. I believe he's actually pretty good as well. Darius Slay going to the Lions. Rookie auto. I assume Josh has Lions as he has in the last bunch of Bunch breaks. Yep, Josh with the Lions. Darius Slay. That's your one guaranteed hit. Darius Slay. It is numbered out of 399. 247 out of 399. Darius Slay. Josh has his one. Lions. Detroit. Come off the random. Okay. Next. Ooh, this is a thicker one. I don't know who this is, but that's cool. Tony Romo. Oh, I'm gonna be jealous. Oh, this is gonna be a sweet card, I think. Joe Flacco, Jamal Charles, freshman phenoms, just a rookie, Ryan Nassib, and your hit is a sick patch of Darren McFadden. Game 1. Wow. Let me know if you want to sell me that one, Ishan. That is sick. That's a thicker card too. For the Raiders, and Ishan getting his one hit guarantee. Wow. That is numbered 4 out of 25, E. That's nameplate. That's part of his name on a game used jersey. 4 out of 25. That's sick. Again, let me know if you want to trade as well with that, because that is awesome. That is pretty sick. I'm guessing you want to keep that. But pack number 4. We got Anquan Bolton. We got a Phenoms. Cordero Patterson. Tony Dorsett. Packer. And your hit is Robert Woods, rookie roll call for those Bills. That is Anthony's second hit, which I think means he is satisfied in his randomized. Is this gonna? I think so. Probably too thick of a case in there. Robert Woods, rookie jersey. Anthony getting his second hit, so Anthony is not guaranteed anything else. Isha is also not guaranteed. Derek's still with 2 guarantees and J-Wags 1, so if we go Derek J-Wags here, then we random off them all, I guess. Pack 5. I'm hoping for something. Tom Brady. Matthew Stafford. We got a Calvin Johnson blue. I don't know if that'll be numbered or not. And a Champ Bailey. And your hit is a Sam Bradford. Game 1. That is out of 99 for the Rams and Isha. Nice break for E. Only grabbing 3 teams, but they have been. That McFadden card is awesome. That's all that. Sugar. They stick cases on there in between, and then they don't fit in there. There we go. Sam Bradford, game used out of 99. One for E. Okay, so I gotta take the Rams out. He's got his 2 hits. I gotta take the Rams, the Bills, the Bills, and the Raiders. All gotta come out. Last pack. We haven't got a single just numbered card yet, which is weird for this stuff. Oh, Calvin Johnson. Is that numbered? Calvin Johnson is numbered out of 99. Not bad. I almost missed that one. Lions already got a hit, so that doesn't affect Josh at all. That's just good stuff. Calvin Johnson to 99. 77 to 99. Last pack. I'm guessing this will be a rookie auto jersey. You usually get one. Chris Carter. Donald Driver. Ooh, we got a redemption. Which usually, in this case, means it's a rookie auto jersey. Ooh, freshman phenoms insert for the Dolphins, Mike Gillislee. Oh, that is a nice card. Okay, I'm going to flip this one over quick. Mike Gillislee, not numbered, but a rookie insert going to the Dolphins. I don't know who has the Dolphins. I do. Miami Dolphins, I do. Okay. My first card, I think. Now this is this auto jersey. I'm assuming that it is. Could be about anybody, and sweet. A freshman fabric totally blue signature is Geno Smith. That's going to me and the Jets. There we go. Nice card to end the break. That's a nice box. Sweet. So I got that one finally at the end there. J-Wags and Derek. So J-Wags will get 1 pack guaranteed. And Derek is going to get 2 packs guaranteed. Right? So that is a total of 3 packs. Josh got his hit. Anthony got his 2 hits. Ishan got his hit. So J-Wags will get 1 pack. And Derek will get 2 packs guaranteed. So that is 3 packs guaranteed. So there will be 3 packs randomed off. Now if I'm wrong, of course, the last random will not be included. I'll pump that Geno Smith will be sick. I am, in case you see my screen, I am now putting all of the hit list teams into the pack randomizer. Okay. Let's see. I don't know if you see my screen. I think you probably don't. Share. Okay. So here are all the hit list teams. Top 3 hit list teams will get a pack. Packs are, they're totally, a couple of them are just rookie inserts. 1 or 2 of them are really nice cards. And some other nice rookies and jerseys. Nothing insane in this. But there's 1 or 2 nice cards. So, top 3 will get a hit in this one. Good luck. Read 3 times. That's 1. Second time. And here's your 3rd time. Jags, Steelers, Buccaneers. So Derek, J-Wags, the 2. So Derek and J-Wags getting a bunch of hits here in the packs, but Derek's gonna get 4 out of the 6 packs, and J-Wags is gonna get the 2 other ones, or 2 of the other ones. There's a total of 8. So I'll have to either randomly give them to J-Wags, or that's probably what I'll do. And I don't know, I packed them all separately, so I actually don't know which ones are which. So Derek is getting 4 packs, and J-Wags is getting 2. So 6 total packs. That will do that. Quick recap. Bunch of base, not as many numbered cards as usual. Only have 3 rookie cards, I think. I just missed one. A couple nice cards are going to a couple people though, so this is I'm pretty happy with. We got a Mike Gillisley. I got that one. Pretty cool rookie insert. Geno Smith, redemption rookie auto jersey. That's sweet. Hopefully it doesn't take 8 years to get in. Calvin Johnson, number to 99 for Josh. Josh also getting a Cordero Patterson rookie. Giants. Going to Derek. Freshman Phenoms going to Derek. That's Wheaton. And Alan Page going to Josh. We got Sam Bradford. Oh, by the way, I sent the message out. It's 6:30 now. 20 minutes or whatever. Sam Bradford, game used jersey going to E. Robert Woods, rookie roll call going to Anthony. Sick patch. Love it. Hope you trade me that. Ishan with McFadden. Darius Slay, Lions rookie auto going to Josh. And Kenny Britt, sweet patch. Is this game used? It is game used. That's even sweet. Nice patch there. Auto, rookie auto jersey. What's he doing this year? I feel like he's been pretty decent, but let's see. 3 games, 2016. 3 games, 14 catches, 199 yards. Not terrible for 3 games. Okay, so that is going to do it. I will get these all packaged up and out today, and we will go from there. Thanks a bunch, guys. As always, next one will be a 2014. We'll do a 2014. It will be Rookies and Stars. That's the next box. So thanks a bunch, and talk to you later.